Hello guys, I am Batman33323 and I will be teaching you how to make pigeon origami. Tweet, tweet, tweet. You can either do a big one, a little one, and stuff. I did a giraffe too, it kind of failed. Anyway. It can be big or small. I'm making a big one for you guys. Okay, if I turn the lights on, this might be easier. If I shut these curtains, there's a straw. Okay. First, you turn it into a triangle. Obviously mine failed because it's big and it's a rectangle. So I'm just going to cut these edges off. I'll be 1 second. A triangle, you see. You turn it back to normal. And then you do exactly the same. But on the other side. As you can see, there's 2 crease marks. And next, you fold it like that. So you fold it, and then it's actually easier when you've got the camera shot looking at you. You do that. You fold this flap here over like that, so you have it like that. And then you see this part. No, wait, actually. And then this part here, you flap this part out like that. And decrease it, and then so it's like that. And then you grab this part here, fold it like that. Crease that. I know. Okay. Right. Oh god, I think I'm broken it. Right. So it's like that, and then this part here, I'm doing it backwards here. You flap it like that, same with the other side. But you have to do it opposite, just not like how I just did it. The bird's kind of failing. This tail bit here, you crease it this way, and then you crease it this way, and that's That's my failed bird. That you can draw some features on it. I don't know. The feathers on. And then you're like, that's it, seabird. Yeah. I'm Batman33323. Like and subscribe. Become awesome today. And I shall see you another time. Maybe making some more origami. Maybe next time I can teach you to make a failed giraffe. My giraffe failed, but I'll make a better one. Bye guys.